You're going to regret this in 5 years. Now, what am I talking about? Well, let me explain. You're going to regret not starting an online business in 5 years. In fact, I reckon you'll even regret it after a year. Now, why am I saying this, right? Now, most of you are probably watching this video working a 9 to 5 job. And if you're working a 9 to 5 job, well, let me tell you something. AI is going to replace it. And not only that, your life is going to get harder and harder, bills are going to get harder and harder to pay, and you're going to end up broke every single month. Just under 2 years ago, I was working a 9 to 5 job myself. I worked several jobs actually. I worked in Argos, I worked in Sky, I worked in World Duty Free. I had enough of those jobs. I took the biggest risk of my life. I packed my bags and I moved to Dubai, right? I didn't have any savings. I didn't have anything going for me. All I had was a dream. And now I run a 6-figure online coaching business that's completely changed my life, given me freedom, allowed me to live here in Dubai, which you can see from the backdrop, and just have a much better life, really, right? Now, the reason why I'm saying you're going to regret not starting an online business is because, guys, let's analyze your situation currently, right? A lot of you guys are working 9 to 5 job, you come home broke, you know, you work 40 hours a week, so you see your colleagues more than you see your family, and then you come home with what, 2 grand a month, 3 grand a month, maybe 4 grand a month, right? And all of this is not a lot of money. You're basically coming home broke every single month. Your bills are expensive, right? And not only that, your rent probably takes most of your money anyway. So how are you guys surviving? How are you guys going to live like this for the rest of your life? A lot of you end up taking loans because you go in debt. Like, what happens is, right, your 9 to 5 job doesn't pay for your lifestyle. And a lot of you guys think maybe you need a better job, okay? How much is a 9 to 5 going to pay you? There's a certain level where a 9 to 5 will pay you, and it's not comfortable money. And if you look at a 9 to 5 job, you don't even have freedom, right? So you can't just work when you want. You can't just, you know, go somewhere wherever you want because you have to work. You've got 40 hours a week of work that you've got to put in. You get 30 days of holiday a year. Like, how can you live like that? I didn't want to live like that myself. This is why I'm telling you guys, if you want to do anything significant, if you want to change your life, you need to start an online business, right? And the reason why you're going to regret it in a year, maybe 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, or 5 years, is because when AI eventually does take your job, and I think within a few years AI will do this, what are you going to do? Because you're going to have no skills, right, to offer the job market, because AI can do it without complaining. AI can do it without a salary. AI can do it without lunch break. So what's your importance to the world, right? The government will just get rid of you. Be like, okay, forget this guy. Let's just bring in AI because it can just get the job done and it's more efficient and it won't complain and it's not tired and it won't ask for a salary, right? So understand the direction of the world. Recently, I saw that they're doing driverless taxis, right? And driverless taxis is crazy because think about it, that's someone else's job that someone could be doing, but they've been replaced by AI. If you think your industry can't be replaced by AI, trust me, it will. And the only online business that won't be replaced by AI is an online coaching business, right? Because an online coaching business requires that human element. AI can't do everything. AI can't completely replicate a human being, that interaction you have with another human being. AI will never be able to replicate that, right? So you should start an online coaching business, which I like to call the One Skill Consulting business model. Now, guys, if you are interested, by the way, if you do want to start this business where I will work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month, click the link in the description below, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll see exactly how I can actually help you, okay? Now, what is a One Skill Consulting business model? How can you guys start it? How can you guys make money from it? Well, it's very, very simple. All you've got to do is identify a skill that you're good at, right? Now, it can be absolutely anything. It can be, you know, there's a person teaching knitting in Dubai. She makes just under 20 grand a month. You can teach someone how to stop drinking alcohol. You can teach someone how to get a six pack. You can teach someone how to lose weight, right? Whatever it is, find a skill that you're good at. The next thing that you need to do is package it into a program, okay? So it needs to be something that is high ticket. So over $2,000 in my opinion is high ticket. So $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, you can charge that per client. So let's say you charge $5,000, right? You only need 2 clients to make 10K a month. Very, very simple business model. And the reason why this works and the reason why AI can't really replace this is because, again, that human interaction, because you're genuinely one-on-one coaching someone, right? AI can't do that. AI can't give feelings. AI doesn't have emotions. AI can't replicate that human interaction that we have on a day-to-day basis. But AI can drive a car, right? So it can replace a taxi. AI can replace people in warehouses, which I saw recently in Amazon warehouses, AI replaced a lot of people, right? And same with Microsoft, I think it was. So AI is doing this, but AI can't, again, replace that human interaction. And that's why an online coaching business works so well, because that will always be needed. The education market is growing and growing and growing. More people are investing in themselves. More people are learning skills so that they can actually make money. And the beauty of investing in yourself and learning skills, guys, is because let's say AI does replace your job. Well, if you learn a skill that you can then sell, you don't need a job. You don't need to worry about getting another job. You've got skills that you can use to make money from, okay? So that's why investing in yourself and learning skills and teaching other people is so, so important. And you'll make so much money from that, more than your job, by the way. You'll have freedom, right? So you can work when you want, how you want, where you want, like I do currently. I work in Dubai at the moment. I live in Dubai. But ultimately, if I want to go to the UK tomorrow, I can do that. I can book a last minute flight. I can go to Qatar, I can go to the US, I can go to Saudi, I can do whatever I want, right? My business is on my laptop. I have freedom. I don't need to clock into the same place every single day, say hi to my boss, and then come home with $2,000. Like I couldn't live like that. A lot of you guys are happy to live like that, by the way, which is crazy to me. But I did not want to live like that. And the online business gave me that freedom, gave me that way out. So you guys can do the exact same thing. You guys can start an online business that can give you freedom, that can make you so much more money than your job. Like, why would you not try? Why would you not do it? Like, it's completely baffling to me, because there's a lot of people who just watch this video, after watching will treat it like an entertainment video and go about the day. I don't really make videos for entertainment. I make videos to, one, provide value to you guys, but two, ultimately, this is my business, right? I work with people on a one-to-one basis. I scale them to 10K a month. I run a coaching business myself as well. So a lot of you guys will just be happy with a 9-to-5 job, come home with $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, whatever it is, pay the bills, be left with absolutely nothing at the end of it, wait for the weekend, and then take some holidays and ask your boss for leave, and only then can you fly abroad, right? Like, that's crazy. Don't live your life like that, guys. Don't live your life controlled. Don't live your life where you have to rely on someone else for your income. You should be able to bet on yourself. You should be able to rely on yourself for income. And as I said, when you learn enough skills, when you understand how to position your program and sell it in the market, you can make so much money, way more than your 9-to-5. And if you charge $5,000, 2 clients a month will make you 10K a month. And guys, to get 2 clients a month, very, very easy. In fact, anyone can actually do this, right? And I'll give you guys some examples. Or I'll give you one of the main examples. I actually recently helped a 16-year-old, right? And we worked together, I identified a skill for him, and he made £2,000 within like a few weeks of the program. At 16 years old, he made £2,000 within a few weeks of the program. And a lot of you guys will spend 40 hours a week saying hi to your boss, traveling to work to make that $2,000. Think about that for a second, right? A 16-year-old made $2,000 in less than a couple weeks, let's say, right? And he did it all from home. He didn't have a boss. He did it all from his phone and his laptop. A lot of you guys work 40 hours a week, go to work, say hi to your boss, clock in for a whole month, and then come home with $2,000. It's crazy to me. But my point is, guys, you need to start. You need to change your life. You need to be in a position where you change your life now, because what's going to happen is if you do not change your life now, you're going to regret it. And you're going to regret this even in a year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. If you're watching this video now, you've probably regretted it for the last year when you said you're going to start that business and nothing's changed, right? And guys, one other tip I will leave you with: act with urgency, okay? Because what happens is when you put things off for tomorrow, tomorrow never comes. I used to do the same. I've been talking about moving to Dubai for the last 7 years. There's only the last 2 years when I decided to actually try and make that change and actually take action, right? So when I took action, it was a risk. I literally had no money. I moved here and everything worked out in the end. So you guys have to take risk. Don't think you can be successful without taking risk. It is absolutely impossible for you to become rich, for you to become successful without taking risk, okay? There has to be an element of risk. Now, whether that's investing in yourself, whether that's moving abroad, whatever it is, you need to take some element of risk. And ultimately, I guarantee if you guys take risk and bet on yourself and fully believe in yourself, you will be successful. You will achieve what it is that you set out to achieve. And that's what I did. When I moved to Dubai, I believed in myself. I knew I was going to make it happen. I even documented my life when I first moved to Dubai. You guys can check out some of my older videos. where I went through that. And it just shows now, when I look back now, it's crazy how far I've come. And that's all because I invested in myself. That's all because I took risk. A lot of you guys are trained not to take risk. Please understand this. You are trained from school to university to your 9 to 5 job to not take risk. And that's why your situation doesn't change. And if you guys do not want to regret in 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 years, take action today. Start an online business, completely change your life, and you can absolutely be in a position where you have freedom and you make well over 10K a month. Now, if you guys do need any help with that, click the link in the description below where it says work with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll see exactly how I can help you. Or alternatively, if you want to know this business model more in depth, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.